everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making ero, as we call it in Cameroon. In Nigeria they will call it okazi, and as a tradition, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Before I start, guys, I'm going to lay it down. Please, what I'm using, you don't have to use all of what I'm using. Select which one you can use and which one you like. So here I have smoked fish, I have some snails, I have stripes, I have cow legs in place of cow skin, and also I have beef. That would be my source of protein. We also need ero, which is our main items for the meal. We need some palm oil and spinach. I use the baby spinach. Yeah, we need pepper, Maggi powder, and salt. So guys, I'm going to go ahead now and soak my ero, because this was dry ero. Yeah, it was dried and sent from home. I'm going to wash my meat now, and first I'm going to cook the ones that are harder first, like the cow legs and the stripes to cook. As you see here, I have my cow legs and the stripes, and I'm just going to go ahead and season it with some Maggi powder and also some salt and the pepper. Then I'm going to cook it. Hey guys, if you're not subscribed yet, now is the right time to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video after watching. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and slice my spinach while the meat is cooking. This is how my spinach look like after slicing and washing. So now my cow leg and the stripe is almost done. I'm going to add the beef. That's my snail soaked in the water. I'm also going to go ahead and debone my smoked fish. Make sure I take out all the small bones in them. That way it's safe to eat. So after the meat has cooked for some time, I'm going to go ahead and add the fish also. And also I'm going to wash the snails and add to it and continue to cook for some time. My meat has cooked for some time. The fish is almost done, so I'm going to go ahead and add the spinach. I'm going to go ahead and wash and rinse my arrow. So as you can see there, my spinach has cooked and it has almost disappeared in the pot. So I'm going to add my palm oil and also followed by the arrow. Go ahead and mix well. Okay. Yeah guys, one more thing I did not introduce is crayfish. Very important. It gives you a very nice taste in your arrow. So don't forget to add the crayfish. Okay guys? And I also like to add it towards the end so you don't overcook it. And there you go guys, that's our arrow. See how yummy it looks in the pot. Oh my god. Okay guys, go ahead and tell me how I did in the comment section below. I hope I see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.